The building is what the church tried to build over her purposefully. You must wear a mask over your face. Women are not allowed to be ordained. The most powerful female, sensual, sexual high priestess, Mary Magdalene, who was just as powerful as Yeshua, was changed and shifted and declared a prostitute. And why? Wondering if what they feel is real, buried under centuries of purposeful suppression and repression, but authentic expression is the resurrection. And she has been flowing the entire time, waiting for this time in history.